In any hotel environment, cleanliness is paramount. Meet the hotel cleaner. It's his job to keep the hotel spotless. Hello there, are you having a good day? But oh wait, what's that down on the floor there? It's some dirt. You'd better get that cleaned up before a guest sees it. It looks like you're snagged on a corner. Some vacuums struggle with maneuverability. Oh dear! Some vacuums struggle with maneuverability, frequently becoming trapped on corners and obstacles, an all too common problem. Luckily, we've got something to help clear up that mess. The Kärcher's ergonomic design means it handles corners beautifully, and its easy carry handle makes it suitable for all work environments, eliminating workflow disruption. Kärcher has done a wonderful job. While other vacuums get caught on corners, Kärcher simply glides around them with ease, thanks to an innovative new shape. Stuck on corners? There's Kärcher for that.